Good morning, students. Today's topic is what is the difference between acute and chronic diseases? One of the most obvious factors determine how we perceive the disease is the duration. Some diseases last for short period while some take long time. That means on the basis of their duration of time, you can you can classify these diseases. Short duration, acute diseases, for example, you've got common cold, etc. While long duration, chronic diseases like elephantiasis. An acute disease which is over very soon and will not have time to cause major effect. That means it doesn't affect your general effect. They are likely to prolong effect. Even after you have recovered from that disease, you may have some side effects. Chronic disease, therefore, having a drastic long-term effect on the human body health as compared to the acute diseases. Now, what is the cause of disease? To understand what is the cause of disease, we should take an example. If consider a body which is suffering from loose motion, why? Because the cause of disease is a virus, and maybe virus may be the immediate cause of that disease. But what is the next question? Where did it come from? Maybe it may come through the unclean drinking water. But if it is due to unclean drinking water, where did this unclean drinking water come? And maybe the baby is not healthy because this unclean drinking water is taken by several other babies. That means this baby is not healthy. And why this baby is not healthy? Because it is not fed or not well nourished. And why it is so? Because maybe this baby belongs to a poor family. In this way, you can say there are several type of diseases, and that diseases may have several type of causes, and mainly two type of causes are there. One is immediate cause, and second is contributory causes. And also, most diseases have many causes rather than the single cause. In this case, also the loose motions may have infectious, that is viruses, or as well as their poor family financial condition is also a contributory cause. Now next is two type of diseases, what is infectious and non-infectious diseases. Infectious disease, as the name indicates, it is the disease which can be transferred from one person to another person. Example is common cold and viral. While the non-infectious disease, which are not cannot be transferred from one person to another person, this is called non-infectious. For example, cancers, any diabetes, etc. In case of non-infectious disease, this disease does not involve any type of microbes. Some internal factors may be the responsible. While in case of infectious, always microbes are involved.